Listen to your battery-powered radio for instructions and information concerning community.
Ever wondered what's inside the food you eat? How about microplastics? A recent study by Ocean Conservancy and the University of Toronto has shed light on a shocking reality. It turns out that nearly 90% of our protein sources, including both meat and plant-based alternatives, are tainted with these tiny, potentially harmful particles. From the fish in the sea to the grains in our fields, microplastics are seemingly everywhere, infiltrating our food chain with an alarming ubiquity. So what did this study reveal about microplastics in our food? Well, the research, a collaboration between Ocean Conservancy and the University of Toronto, analyzed 16 protein samples from 2 supermarkets in Portland, Oregon. The result? A staggering 90% of the tested protein sources, including meat and even plant-based alternatives, were found to be contaminated with microplastics. These tiny fragments of plastic pollution were discovered in every single sample. And it's not only the ubiquity that's concerning, but also the type of microplastics found. Fibers, the kind you might associate with your synthetic clothing, were detected in almost half of the samples. Plastic fragments, the bits and pieces that break off from larger plastic items, comprised about 1/3 of the microplastics. The exact route these microplastics are taking to end up in our food chain remains a mystery, and further research is certainly needed. But one thing is clear, the plastic pollution crisis is not just an environmental issue, it's a health issue too. The study found microplastics in all of the tested samples, painting a concerning picture of our food supply. Now, you might be wondering, what does this mean for us? Well, the presence of microplastics in our food could pose potential health risks. There's a link to cancer, but the full implications of this are still being explored. With microplastics detected in all protein samples, both meat and plant-based, it's clear this isn't a problem we can simply eat our way around. We need more research to fully grasp the magnitude of this issue and its impact on our health. Let's not forget, this isn't just about the environment. The presence of microplastics in our food isn't just an environmental issue, it's a human health concern that demands immediate attention.
Having a disaster kit ready will increase your family's chances